Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of Climbskin Hand Repair Cream, a concentrated balm designed to heal, relieve, and repair extremely dry, cracked hands. With a shea butter base, this cream absorbs quickly into your skin, providing deep hydration and fast regeneration without leaving any waxy residue, so you can immediately touch your phone, keyboard, or steering wheel without worry. For optimal results, apply the cream 1 to 2 hours before climbing to hydrate your skin, prevent splits, and reduce sweating, and don't forget to reapply after your climb for continued protection. Many climbers also swear by using it at bedtime, and with just a little going a long way. One jar can last a frequent climber anywhere from 1 to 3 months. The natural scent and color mean no artificial colors or perfumes, and it's environmentally friendly and cruelty-free, never tested on animals. Whether you're into climbing, weightlifting, or gymnastics, Climbskin Hand Repair Cream is your go-to solution for keeping your hands in top condition. Give it a try and feel the difference in your hands today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.